Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You might be wondering, what am I doing on the floor with all of these boxes? So I just filmed a video where I built this. If you want to watch it, the link will be in the description down below. And now I'm just going to organize everything. I just have a different shirt for editing purposes, just so I can know what's the difference between the two videos. So don't mind that. I just switched up my shirt for editing purposes. Yeah. So I recently ordered this off of Amazon. I will also put the link in the description. And I just put this up and it took me like 20 minutes. And I ordered this for $30 off of Amazon. So now I'm just going to try to figure out how I'm going to organize my things to make it look prettier, I guess. Because right now I have things in boxes and this is not convenient. So certain things like these bowls obviously won't fit, so I have to figure out another strategy for that. I'm debating whether I should put my glitters into drawers or keep them in this box. And I love giving out candies with my orders, so I have like a big thing of candies. And also, if you see, the Skittles don't make the cut because I always end up eating them. But yeah, I don't know, I like to give people like free stuff because I like free stuff. So, and who doesn't like free stuff and candy? So this is why I have like a whole bunch. I like giving people gifts, so this is why I have this. And I don't know if I want to dedicate a drawer for candy or just keep it in there, because honestly it's kind of neat in there. So I think I just might keep it in there. And so we're going to start with my Dream Collection glass. So a shot, my Dream Collection glasses. I also have a video of where I got these boxes. I just have to edit it. Once I do, I will post. And once I do and it's posted, the link will most likely be in the description. But I feel like this video is gonna come out before this one anyway. So yeah. So my Dream Collection glasses. First off, let's make this make sense. When I get an order, what do? I grab a packaging thingy. So I have my package drawstring bags. I prepared them with my business cards right over here. I already have some, so this is my business card. I got them off of Canva. I think the next time I'm just going to order them off of Vistaprint, because I think it's cheaper. So the first thing I do is I grab a drawstring bag. So let's just go in order and then figure out from there. So I got all the pre-packaged drawstring bags. I have 15 of them. I did them last night because I was bored. So I'll put those in the first drawer. Let me get them because I cannot see. Oh! I'll put those in the first drawer. So these are my drawstring bags right here with the business cards in them. And then I usually grab a mailer. So mailer will go right next to the bags. Can I just put it like this? There you go. And I have 50 of those mailers. I'm obviously not gonna put all 50 in there because why? So this is the first drawer. So the first drawer is the drawstring bags and the mailers. And in the second drawer, then I would have to grab the products. So I have pre-packaged, I did not think this through. I already had pre-packaged bundles. So I'll have to like fix it, put in business cards in there. So I have pre-packaged bundles, so I'll just put those in there. These are my bundle deals. You get 4 for $20. I don't know if you can see, but everything is black, so I'm sorry. But yes, I will put business cards into some of them later, probably, because I have a meeting at 6. So close that. That's the second drawer. The third drawer would be the actual Dream Collection glasses. So in the Dream Collection glasses, you have Silver City, She's Golden, A Little Sass, and Basic Chick. So this collection, I will always have this collection. I may come out with some limited edition collections, like Valentine's Day. I can't have that all year, so, or Christmas or anything like that. These will always be there, so if you need them, you will always have them. And I have like basic colors, just because I know that these colors, people do use them all the time. Like the clear gloss, I will never not have it, and like the nude gloss, I will never not have it, because I know people use these gloss all the time. You know, you don't always want to wear some random color glosses all the time, constantly. So that's why I have them. They will go right here. Actually, put it in order. So I obviously need to restock, but I'm just waiting to sell out the bundle deals. And let me get off this. I'm waiting to sell out the bundle deal and these, so I can just buy more Versagel, use the money to buy more Versagel. So order my glasses, guys. And after that, what do? I grab the candy, but the candy's not gonna be in there. Or I could just, I don't know, but I don't think I'm gonna put the candy in there. So I have my holiday collection, my ginger bronze glosses. They're available up until they run out, and I think I have like what, 10 or 11 of those. So I will just be selling those up until I run out of them. So I think like special collections, I'll just put them on the 4th drawer. So this is ginger bronze. And then I think now we're just going to get into the supplies that I need for the glasses. So I have my syringes. I would just put them in here. So my syringes are in here. And here, can I put my gloves in there? Ooh, let me put my gloves. And then the syringes. Oh, I have my scale. Whenever I get orders, I have to scale it out. So I will just be putting the scale right on top, right here. So there you go. And then my stickers, well, I kind of ran out, so I'm just waiting to sell out everything, just so I can like order more things, so I can have money to put in my things. So I think this would be like the drawer where I put all my stickers and business stuff. So like the stickers and the whatchamacallit, the business cards. So these goes in there. And I think I should put the tape in here, because it's part of packaging, so you need the tape for that. And then I want to buy sticker labels, so I'll probably put them in there too. So I have these straws, because I am not about to order no 100, 200 pipettes when I can just get those straws. So I make sure I get the wrapped ones, so as you can see, they're wrapped so they don't get dirty. Because the straw, I feel like, works better than the pipette, because the straw opening is bigger than the pipette opening. So that's why I honestly prefer the straws over the pipettes, because I have pipettes and I've used them, and I just kept coming back to the straws. So these are Dunkin' Donut straws. So the straws that work best for those syringes are the Dunkin' Donuts ones and the 7-Eleven ones, the Slurpee ones. So yeah, those are the straws I get whenever I go to these places. Those are the straws I get. And here, I'm just going to put my gel. Should I take it out the water? Nah. I'm going to put my gel. This is the leftover gel I have. I do not want to continue to make things without selling them, so this is why I have leftover gel. See, I do have pipettes, like I told you guys. I just don't really like them like that. So. There you go, the Slurpee ones. So I would just like cut them into different sizes, and then because they see how big the opening is, it's just more convenient, you know. What? This is trash. It's done. And then I have some leftover like extras, and they're labeled basic shape, ginger bronze, you know. I have each of them. I have extras of each in a bowl. Just not they're just not this one I don't have that much, but they're just not boxed, I guess. I mean, because I had extras, so I just put them in there. I wanted to initially have one drawer for the glass tubes, but I think they can fit in there, so I'm pretty sure that's fine. I don't know, because I am running into 15 minutes and I don't want this video to be too long. So other than that, everything else, yeah, I've made a total mess in this room and I need to clean it, but it's not gonna be cleaned up until like 8 o'clock, so have to stay in boxes. Like the extras of these and extras of these. I need to get bigger mailers, but I don't find the point of getting bigger mailers right now because I don't sell anything other than lip glosses, and I also do labels, if you guys didn't know. If you have a basic logo that you want to make, I can do it for you. Yeah, they're all on my Etsy shop. So these will stay in the boxes because whenever I need to refill, I will refill. And yeah, that's just basically it, guys. I just made a 20 minutes video out of just fixing things. So yeah. Ooh, let me get up for you guys. So that was about it for my video, guys. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below to be part of the RoseMetics fan. And also comment down below, let me know how you organize your own business, like how do you set it up. And last but not least, turn on your post notifications to be notified every time I post a new video. Yeah, I have a lot coming for you guys. I don't know if I want to post all of them in December or stretch them out to January, but we'll just see. Yeah, I have enough to post for 2 a week for the rest next month and a half, so I will stop making videos. So yeah, anyways, bye guys. shoes.